The automotive world is no stranger to muscle and madness, but Dodge has once again pushed the boundaries with its latest creation, the 2026 Dodge Demon truck. Taking inspiration from the legendary Challenger SRT Demon, Dodge has taken muscle car DNA and injected it straight into a pickup truck, creating a bold, brutal, and unapologetically powerful machine. In this video, we're diving deep into everything you need to know about this insane truck, from performance and design to tech features and market impact. Bold design that commands respect. From first glance, the Demon truck looks like something out of a gearhead's dream. Aggressive doesn't begin to describe its aesthetic. The front fascia carries over the snarling design language from the Challenger Demon, complete with a wide grille, menacing LED headlights, and a functional hood scoop large enough to swallow a small animal. The body sits low and wide for a truck, giving it a planted, muscle-bound stance, while flared fenders accommodate oversized performance tires. Aerodynamics haven't been ignored, either. Air curtains, underbody spoilers, and a subtly integrated rear diffuser work together to keep the truck stable at high speeds. It's a perfect blend of form and function, muscle car swagger with truck utility. Under the hood, a hellish heart. The real story lies under the hood. At the heart of the 2026 Demon truck is a supercharged 6.2-liter Hemi V8, an evolution of the one found in the original Challenger Demon. Pushing an eye-watering 850 horsepower and over 750 lb-ft of torque, this engine propels the truck from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3.5 seconds, numbers previously unthinkable for a pickup. It features a reinforced 8-speed automatic transmission, launch control, line lock, and even a drag mode tuned specifically for quarter-mile dominance. It's not just a fast truck. It's a full-blown drag strip monster on 4 wheels. Performance beyond straight lines. While the Demon truck was clearly born for straight-line speed, Dodge hasn't overlooked other aspects of performance. The suspension has been upgraded with adaptive dampers, stiffer springs, and electronic stability tuning. The truck can handle corners far better than a vehicle of its size and weight has any right to. Massive Brembo brakes provide stopping power worthy of the Demon name, while an advanced all-wheel drive system, a first for a Dodge Demon vehicle, ensures optimal traction on any surface. Whether launching off the line or carving through mountain roads, the Demon truck delivers raw yet controlled performance. Interior, a high-octane cockpit. Step inside the 2026 Dodge Demon truck and you're met with a cockpit designed for drivers who take performance seriously. Heavily bolstered performance seats wrapped in Alcantara and leather grip you tight during aggressive driving. Red seat belts, Demon badging, and carbon fiber accents reinforce the truck's high-performance pedigree. But it's not all brute force, there's sophistication too. A 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster is paired with a 14-inch Uconnect touchscreen, featuring real-time performance pages, drag timers, and even a G-force meter. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Harman Kardon audio, and integrated performance telemetry round out the features, making it as tech-forward as it is muscular. Practicality meets insanity. Despite its outrageous performance, the Demon truck hasn't forgotten it's still a truck. It offers a reinforced 5.5-foot bed, a towing capacity of up to 8,000 pounds, and multiple drive modes for everyday usability, including a snow mode and eco mode, though let's be honest, the latter probably won't see much use. Dodge even includes adjustable air suspension that can raise the ride height for off-roading or lower it for performance driving. In short, it's built